Groundbreaking X-Rosé reveals. Adds tonaging. Claim. Reptilian Alien species. Sesritli eds tablagid. Contact with humanity over 150 years ago. In a world that is constantly evolving with new discoveries and revelations, there are some truths that have remained hidden for far longer than we ever imagined. Some truths are so extraordinary that they defy our conventional understanding of reality. And now, one of those revelations has come to light. A claim so groundbreaking, it could change everything we thought we knew about our history, our place in the universe, and the forces that have shaped our world for centuries. According to a startling new investigation, a reptilian alien species has been covertly living among us for over 150 years, influencing human history, infiltrating positions of power, and manipulating global events to their own ends. These aliens are not mere observers from afar. They have had a direct and continuous influence on the course of human civilization. And the most disturbing part? They've been hiding in plain sight, blending seamlessly with human society and keeping their true identities a closely guarded secret. This revelation comes from Dr. Allison Granger, a former government engineer who has spent years investigating the mysterious world of extraterrestrial life and UFO phenomena. In her groundbreaking new book, Reptilian Revelations, Dr. Granger reveals astonishing details about these reptilian beings and their secret interaction with humanity. She claims that the first contact with these extraterrestrials occurred in the 1870s, and since then, they've been secretly working their way into positions of power, exerting influence over global governments, military institutions, and the corporate elite. These reptilian aliens possess technology far beyond anything humanity has ever known, allowing them to manipulate and control human society in ways that remain completely undetected by the general public. This discovery is unlike anything I've ever encountered in my career, Dr. Granger states. The evidence we've uncovered is irrefutable. We are dealing with a species of extraterrestrial beings who have infiltrated human society and have been influencing our world for over a century. They are not just visitors from another planet. They have embedded themselves in our culture, our politics, and our economy. According to Dr. Granger, the reptilian species first made contact with humanity in the 1870s. Gradually infiltrating the highest levels of power and influence. Their primary method of blending into society is through a remarkable ability to shapeshift, allowing them to assume human forms and interact with us without detection. The reptilian aliens have used their advanced technology to manipulate events on Earth, subtly guiding humanity's development and ensuring that their own agenda remains on track. They've influenced everything from major political events to technological advancements, always operating behind the scenes and keeping their true identities hidden from public view. What do they want, though? Why have these reptilian beings been interacting with humanity for so long, and what is their ultimate goal? According to Dr. Granger's research, the reptilians' ultimate aim is to control the fate of Earth and its inhabitants. The aliens have a long-term agenda that involves maintaining power over human civilization, using their advanced technology and manipulation techniques to shape the world in their image. Their control over key global institutions has allowed them to direct the course of history, ensuring that humanity remains unaware of their influence. Their technology is unlike anything we've seen, Dr. Granger explains. These beings possess capabilities that are far beyond our understanding, and they've used these technologies to control and influence us without us even realizing it. They've manipulated the course of history for over a century, and we've been none the wiser. The most disturbing part is that we still don't know their ultimate endgame. Dr. Granger's book delves into a wealth of evidence, including declassified government documents, eyewitness accounts, and testimonies from former military and intelligence officials. She claims to have uncovered data that suggests the presence of non-human DNA samples, which could be linked to the reptilian species. In addition, the book also includes testimonies from individuals who claim to have had direct encounters with these aliens, describing their experiences in chilling detail. One of the most unsettling aspects of the revelations in Reptilian Revelations is the claim that these reptilian aliens have been living among us in human form for generations. Dr. Granger argues that the reptilians are capable of assuming human identities with such precision that they can blend seamlessly into society, holding positions of power in governments, corporations, and other influential institutions. These shape-shifting entities have been able to manipulate global events, directing the course of history from behind the scenes without anyone realizing they were there. Their influence extends to all aspects of life, from political decisions to technological advancements, and they've been guiding humanity's development in subtle and often disturbing ways. The reptilians have been in control for so long that we don't even know what life would be like without their influence, Dr. Granger says. They've shaped our world in ways that we can't even comprehend. And the most frightening part is that we've never even known they were here. We've been living in a world controlled by beings who are not even human, and most of us have never suspected a thing. The evidence presented in Dr. Granger's book is extensive and highly detailed, with numerous corroborating testimonies from former military personnel, intelligence officers, and civilians who claim to have had encounters with the reptilian aliens. These encounters are said to range from subtle interactions, such as influencing decision-making processes, to more direct confrontations, where individuals claim to have witnessed the shape-shifting abilities of the reptilians firsthand. The book also includes scientific data that suggests the presence of non-human DNA, which may be linked to the reptilian species. While Dr. Granger's claims are sure to be met with skepticism, she insists that the evidence is irrefutable. She argues that the presence of these reptilian beings on Earth is not just a fringe theory or a wild conspiracy, but a reality that has been kept hidden for over a century. According to Dr. Granger, the reptilians have been manipulating humanity's development for their own purposes, and their influence is still felt today. The truth is far more terrifying than anyone could imagine, Dr. Granger warns. We are not alone, and we have never been. The reptilian species has been living among us, controlling our destiny and guiding our civilization for over 150 years. And the scariest part is we don't even know how deep their influence really goes. As the public's interest in extraterrestrial life and UFO phenomena continues to grow, Reptilian Revelations is already generating a massive amount of attention. The book has sparked a renewed interest in the possibility of alien contact and has reignited debates about the true nature of extraterrestrial life. Whether or not Dr. Granger's claims will be proven to be true remains to be seen. But one thing is certain: the revelations contained in the book have the potential to change everything we know about our history, our place in the universe, and the forces that have shaped our world. The idea that a species of extraterrestrial reptilian beings has been secretly living among us for over 150 years is sure to be met with resistance and skepticism. But the growing body of evidence presented in Reptilian Revelations raises important questions about the true nature of our world and the beings who may be living among us. What if the creatures that have been influencing the course of human history for so long are not human at all? What if we have been living under the control of extraterrestrial forces for generations? Only time will tell whether Dr. Granger's claims will stand up to scrutiny. But the implications of these revelations are staggering. As humanity continues to search for answers about extraterrestrial life and the forces that shape our world, one thing is clear: we are not alone, and the truth is far more complex and frightening than we could have ever imagined.